Today we're going to read about the purpose of our government. The purpose of government. Everyone knows that cars are supposed to stop at stop signs. But what if drivers could decide they didn't want to stop at the stop sign and just kept going? The roads would be unsafe for everyone. That's why we have a law that says drivers must stop at stop signs. Laws are made to protect people. A law is a rule that everyone in a community, state, or country is expected to follow. Our laws are made by the government. The government is a group of people who work together to run a community. The government makes laws and provides services to help keep communities safe, organized, and healthy. A government service is work that is done to help everyone in the community. Public safety. Governments provide services to keep citizens safe from harm. The police department helps fight crimes and works to make sure everyone is following the laws. Judges deal with people who have broken the law and decide on their punishment. The fire department responds to many emergencies, including fires and medical problems. Paramedics offer first aid treatment and take people to the hospital by ambulance. The government also provides protection through the Army, Navy, Air Force, and Coast Guard. Public works. Governments provide services to keep the communities organized. Public works departments make sure that clean water is available at all times. They also make sure roads and streets are kept clean and safe, and that street lights and street signs are kept in working condition. The Public Works Department is also responsible for picking up garbage and recycling. Education. Governments provide services to help citizens improve their education. The government provides schools for children and colleges for adults. Public libraries provide places for everyone to read, research, study, and learn. The government also does scientific research, like sending satellites to explore outer space. Health. Governments provide services to help keep people healthy. Hospitals care for sick people. The health department checks on restaurants and grocery stores to make sure they are clean. The health department also provides shots children need to avoid certain diseases like measles and chickenpox. Some doctors and scientists work for the government to discover new medicines. The government also helps people who do not have much money to buy things like food and medicine, and to pay for a place to live. How do we pay for these government services? Governments collect taxes from people to pay for services the community needs. A tax is money that people and businesses pay to a government. When people buy things at stores, they have to pay a sales tax. People who own a home pay taxes every year to the city where they live. People also pay taxes on the money they earn at their jobs every year. These taxes pay for services that citizens need. Citizens are people who live in a community like you and me.